Okay, well, we're gonna try to light the lights here again. As you can see, the one light's on, and I have two boxes I can't open. Why not, right? Take a little dastardly little pickaroo, rip it open. So, brand new. I thought of a different way of fixing these when the socket goes bad in the back, is to throw the cardboard box on the floor. Drill this out. If you can't drill this out to the appropriate size, drill out the base, clean it out, get one of these little lights right here. Huh? You think? Fit it right in there? You got your light. It took me a lot of thinking after I paid for them to do that. Whatever. It is what it is. So the connector is dirty. That's the new housing. Probably that one will work too. What I might do, probably not, is I'll drill these things so that they've got new holes, because this is ridiculous that they don't fit. And then I won't mess with them again. Once they're in and they're installed, I won't touch them again. The electrical connectors are, ones on the Jeep are kind of suspect, you know, not in any sort of criminal investigation, but everything's working. High beam, low beam. I got the front signal lights. I ain't got shit at the back yet. But that means I also don't have brake lights. I do have the running lights, or the marker lights, clearance lights, whatever you want to call them. The doodad lights, you know, these ones. And that one's on. And that one's on. I suspect that one's burnt out. Change a light bulb or two, but I believe it's the connector that comes from just inside here and the harness that goes to the back. Look, I got gloves, I know, right? Oh my God. One bad bulb. It's glass. I'll put it in the recycling. Bad bulb. Got clearance lights, marker lights. I have one that's out right here. Sorry, that side there, it's out. That one's working. The two front ones on the sides are working for signal lights as well, which is a good thing. I wouldn't mind if these ones also worked as a flash, because when someone's at the side of the Jeep, they can see it. The Jeep's only like 25 feet long. 15? I don't know, whatever, however long it is. I got a screwdriver here. I'm gonna pull out that side marker. Screwdriver. Yep. Those, I can't even feel the connector. So, the piece of the red shrapnel blew off. Parts of that, you know, broke. It's lovely. So, something else we gotta look for. Just one other thing in the list. I wondered why the light didn't work. I didn't realize it wasn't there. But, yeah, apparently it exited the chat a long time ago. Hey, Jesus. I can never find it when I want it. This one's been hiding out outside. All right, well. Yeah. Oh, I have to put on fender flares. Picked up a set a couple years ago, 4-inch wide fender flares. I'm trying to eyeball them right now. Oh, they're right there on the shelf. There, right up there on that shelf, right behind some of the ski patrol signs that, you know, I don't ski. All right, well, as you just seen, front lights are all working, signal lights. Oh, you can't tell everybody I got this. Look right there. Oh, come on now. Right there. Paxton. Now I have to rebuild this thing, or send it out to get rebuilt, because she's a mite bit stiff.